Alright guys, so I lied to you. I lied to you guys and I am extremely sorry. But we did not go pink. I ain't gonna hold it from you guys any longer. Well, this is the finished product. This is what we got. This is what we started with. So we had a messed up doors, everything, the hood, fender, bumpers fucked up. There was no bumper, well, pieces of bumpers. So hood had a few dents on it, so we swapped that out. Had broken arms. All these are the broken arms. That one was bent, this one was completely messed up. That one was just not even connected. So we stole them from this car. Literally, this is just a parts car. The engine's blown in it, so yeah. I don't know why my other footage is fucking gone. But pretty much we bought this car from the auction. And, well, this car from the auction. And got this car from Facebook Market. See what we did? We took all the parts from the Facebook Market car, put it on this one because it had a clean body, but it had a blown motor. So yeah. What do you guys think? It doesn't even show up. Oh no, it doesn't show up on camera. Alright, so we went Atlantis blue. That is the color we went. It looks kind of tealish, kind of blue, kind of green, kind of a little bit darker at night, and like without the sun hitting it. But when the sun's beaming on it, it looks damn near blue. So that's kind of what we did. Just dirty, I don't know, I guess the car's been done for a while and these motherfuckers didn't hit me up. But we now have a daily. I don't have any of the footage, all my footage is just gone. So I know I'm kind of coming out of nowhere, but it is pretty much painted. We do have a few things to take care of. We have a valve cover leak. The car is direct injection, so kind of is a little noisy, but it's fine. We bought a whole parts car, guys. Whole parts car. Literally took everything from this car. See what color it was, and that's what color the original. Should have a couple videos I might add in here, but yeah, bought a whole parts car. I haven't did that in a while, but the whole rear arms and stuff were bent and messed up, so had to take it from there. Kind of just got it sitting here, just that way it can, you know what I'm saying, I guess sit. I was thinking about keeping this car, but I did find a few things that we don't like the seats are fine. We could put the seats in the car, but honestly I'm not sure how I feel about it right now. I have to do some more thinking about it, but yeah, definitely bought a whole car. It does have a bad engine though, but yeah, we did not go pink, guys. Don't be too mad, we did not go pink. I'm gonna clean this thing up for you guys where you can see the true color, but this is what she is. Let me get some water thrown on her, get her cleaned up.
His biggest year was the most recent year.
Yes.
That's a good place to be in.
It's an amazing place to be in.
You know what I'm saying? Especially when you done had big years in the past.
Damn, Kai, you go crazy. Okay, look at all the hate that I receive, and I'm still grinding. Look at all that dirt you threw on
So this is the color, guys. This is a Mako paint job. I got it done not too long ago. It took about a week. But yeah, there are downsides to Mako. Beautiful color. Picked out by yours truly. A couple suggestions, you know, here and there, but I did pick the color. We got blue wheels. I have some, you know what I'm saying, just so if you ever want to get your car painted at Mako, don't pay too much money. You don't get the cheapest and you don't get the highest, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of me. There's some paint right there, a bit more right there. I'm gonna flip like glittery though, boy. But yeah, this is the new daily. Hopefully everything's good with it. Hope you guys like it, but if you don't, it is what it is. Might stay, might not stay, but you know what I'm saying? Who knows? But car is cleaned up, not too much, but we do have those trim pieces in the front and on the sides. We do have them, but we just left them off. That way it can get painted behind everything. Like say if I put those pieces on, then they fly off, I'm gonna have a black spot right there. So, you know, I was kind of thinking the same thing if the trim pieces fall off, when taking the bumper off or when taking the fender, you know what I'm saying, it'll get messed up. So we didn't. But thank you guys for staying tuned and watching. I have a bunch more content coming up, but we're not doing anything with that piece of shit over there. Also, my truck center support bearing went out and we're fixing that slowly, but you know, stuff happens. We do maintenance. I just don't record everything. And that is a damn dog right there. I don't got my Glock on me either, so we'll have to fight a dog. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for what's next, because now that we can drive this car for a little bit, we should be able to do some good mods and house mods. But we do have tan interior in here. I hate it, but it's not that bad. We did have to do alignment. Alignment was shit. But the reason we bought this car, or I was okay with buying this car and keeping this car, Mr. Jesus. I know I'm a big believer in Jesus, so I feel like it's meant to be. No matter what, like, I feel like it's meant to be. Like, it's a nice car. Don't get me wrong. It's a BMW at the end of the day. It's got like a full moonroof or whatever. It's nice. 4-cylinder turbo. I mean, like, pretty much perfect for a daily. It says it average 36, but you know what I'm saying, I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm gonna let you guys know. But I'm gonna get out of here. I know I've been yapping a lot, so thank you guys for watching. More drift content coming soon. Stay tuned.
Boy, my name's Stacey Red, you know what to do. And I see you looking, babe, I'm tryna live with you. Tattoos on his body and his body.